Welcome to Gary Auto Care. I'm Tim Wire. Today I have Honda Fit and it has a problem with check engine on the dashboard. Another thing, it has a rough idling, so I'm going to scan this vehicle so that we identify the main fault code. I'm using the auto machine to identify the main fault code. The fault code is P0401, which is EGR system leakage. So this is the EGR of Honda Fit. So the problem is EGR, but we are not going to replace the whole EGR. We are going to clean the carbon deposit. Look at the EGR, there is a lot of carbon deposit, so we need to clean it. But before that, we have to start the engine. This helps to remove the carbon deposit inside the exhaust pipe, and use a screwdriver to remove the remaining one, just like that. Yes, this is the EGR. So instead of replacing with a new one, which is very expensive, the best thing is to clean. Right now it's clean, ready to install back. See, so we are going to install back. It has two 12 bolts like that. Imagine you are done with the socket like that. So we are going back to clear the fault code from the system. This is the fault code P0401. So I need to clear this fault code, erase code, ignition on, engine off. Okay, code have been successfully erased. Turn ignition switch off, turn ignition switch on, read again. No fault codes detected. So the problem was the EGR. The engine is running smooth. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.